Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I want a shelf in the pantry for putting sundries on and also to hang my coats on. It's right by the back door and I like hanging a coat there so I can go in and out of the shop and in and out of the garage and in and out of the house without having to go to the closet in the living room, get one of my coats, walk back and go outside. Makes it so that I can do work a lot more efficiently. So anyways, for whatever the reason, I want to have a coat rack there. We tried finding a coat rack to meet what our needs were. We weren't able to do that. And all the shelves that I already had were too large. I need one 26 inches by 9 inches. So the best way for me to get one is to just make it myself. So I've got the boards laid out here on the workmate, and I'm going to mark out where I want the cuts made and then get these cut out. Now this is the old coat hanger that we took off the wall. So I'm going to use these coat hanger hooks again because there's nothing wrong with them. I am going to place them a little closer together though. And trim these up and then sand them on the belt sander. This is going to be chop saw work. I need to square these up, square up the ends on this board, square up the ends on the shelf itself, get it ready to route, and then square up these two surfaces 90 degrees to each other. Then attach these together and sand them on the belt sander to bring this into a nice shape. Double face tape, drum sander, pieces. Go out in the garage, use power tools.
If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.